Hi guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm coming to you with an organization video. Guys, if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family already, please do so by clicking that subscribe button. Yes, click, and next to it you see a bell. That bell will let you know every time I upload a video. So click on that bell, guys, and follow me on my social media accounts, guys. They should be coming up now. Now, if you're interested in seeing how I got this jumbo mess organized, stick around. Now, guys, you know I had those 3-tier drawers prior to. So what I'm doing now is taking the insides that was all junked up, and I'm reorganizing. Now, this is drawer 1. Now, what I did was I purchased me one set of the Alex drawers in black. And what I did, guys, I lined each drawer with that black rose paper that I love so much, so that if anything spills in these drawers, it's easy to wipe up and clean. I won't mess up the white on the drawer. So guys, as I pull out a drawer out of this cabinet, I will show you what's inside that drawer, and then when I finish the whole cabinet, then I'll show you guys how everything turned out. Okay guys, as promised, here is drawer 2. It's lipsticks and things. As I took it out, so things fell over, so it's still a hot mess. But this is drawer 2 taken out. Okay guys, are you ready to see the finished product? Here is drawer 1. In drawer 1, I tried to organize the drawers by how I put on my makeup. So here we have some dirty sponges. Don't look, they need to be washed. I have some eyelashes here and my eyelash glue, scissors. Here I have mascaras and eyeliners. Here I have my brow products. Here I have concealers. In the back is a bottle of milk of magnesia. I use it as a primer. And in drawer 2, we have up front here is what I use all the time, which is this, a highlighter, my MAC powder, and then there's a black opal powder I use as a base on my eyeshadows. Here I have face powders, including my, I put banana powder in here. And here I have my foundations. I use a lot of black opal. Then I've tried this one here from Maybelline. These are black opal, as you can see. It should be over here. Here are some samples of black opal, where I sent for samples to match my color. And right now I'm using the MAC. Let me see, which one is this one? This is MAC 47. C47. Yeah. Then I have some Black Radiance BB cream. In the back, right here, are my blushes. I have some Milani blushes. I have Julep, Black Opal. These, I can't remember where I got these from, but I have these different colors. I have Elf. I have Ultra, and this one is from Mary Kay, I believe. I had that in a while. Next drawer. These are my lipsticks, lip gloss, pencils, whatever, in here. And here is a mixture. I have MAC, I have NYX's, I have Nicka K, I have Wet n Wild, can't remember all. I have Julep, what's this one? Nicka K. I know this one is Wet n Wild. So I have a different variant. Then I have these back here. I have the NYX lip pens here. Then I have this one I got at Ulta, Super Shine. Then I have my collection of these. Let me see. This is a Julep. This is Julep. Pretty case. Here is Max. This is from the MAC. This is from the Aaliyah collection. This is a sample. I think it came from Black Opal. to try their other lipsticks. Then I have this collection. I can't even remember what this is. I can't remember the name. Can't remember. Let me see. Who else do I have? Oh, back here I have ColourPop. I have these color pencils my sister saw and she picked them up. She thought I would like these lip pencils. So I have those back here with some BH Cosmetics. And I think this is, yeah, this is Milani. I have all different kinds in here. Okay. The next row here are some loose powders, eyeshadows. Of course, you know this is the MAC setting spray. Okay, then I have some eyeshadows here. Single paws. This is yellow. This is a pretty brown, rust brown color. This is another brown. I was stuck in the brown for a while, guys. Here's a pretty teal. Down here, I have some of these. I picked up a few from NYX. The glitter ones. I only have 4. I didn't want to get that many of those. But in these here, I got the powder. I got the regular, the glossy looking ones. Then I got the glitter ones back here. I have the mirror you clamp, or the light rather, that you clamp onto your phone when you do close-up video. I have some dirty sponges. In the back here, or my mitt to clean. I have some primers back there, but I don't like them. I have nail polish remover here. This is a camera lens I bought to try. There's a, oh shoot, I can't think what it's called. The lighten your teeth thing back there in the back. And then in the bottom drawer, it's mostly my eyelashes. Eyelashes. These are extras. Let me get the light is bad. Okay. These are extras here. I buy 1 and 2 of the same one and put an extra there. There's my banana powder. Another new sponge. Some stuff I ordered for eyelashes. I'm going to wait a while on that. Back here is like oversupply. 2 more bottles of magnesia, some lotion, a big bottle of finger polish remover, some other black opal empties that I need to match those colors up. I think I picked up the wrong colors. Some setting spray, some glue, you know, little leftover stuff. This is my abundance drawer. So, I think I did a pretty good job organizing my Alex drawer. Still waiting on the other one to come, because in my other one, guys, it's going to be, I think, hair care. But I put my palettes, some of the palettes here on this tray. BH Cosmetics. I have the Nubian, 2 of the Nubian palettes. I want to get me another one. I think I'll be getting one pretty soon. Then I have another BH Cosmetics. Brazil, another Nubian palette. Back here is a Lorac. Here's a Lorac, Urban Decay, Naked. Forgot what this back one is. I got this from this shop. I seen it. It was some really pretty colors in it. A store called Icing. And then there's BH Cosmetics, the BH Party Girl palette in the back. Over here, I have that large one is from e.l.f. I ordered it offline. And the 3 other palettes you see here, those are from BH Cosmetics. And then I moved some of my body sprays and lotions and my colognes over here in the corner. So I've been doing a lot of organizing here in this room. So when I finish the rest, guys, and get the other Alex, when I get the other Alex drawer in, I will be showing you as I go, guys, because I want to do that one strictly hair products. I call it my hair drawer, where, you know, I have the brushes, combs, then, you know, conditioners and sprays, what I keep in there. Everything in the hair container, I want to try to get in another Alex drawer on the other side over here. So I'm working on it because I'm planning on doing all the changing here in this room. And I think I did a really good job moving the things from that front cabinet there. No, the back cabinet. The back cabinet is empty, the back 3 drawers. I took everything out of those 3 drawers and put it in this Alex drawer. So next I'll be taking everything out of those 3 and putting them in another set of Alex drawers that should be here hopefully next week, maybe week after next, can't remember. And guys, this is Stephanie from Creative Limits Me, saying as always, you guys be blessed, and thank you for watching.